These are all the spare parts in the package. Includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Insert the handlebar into the head tube. Handlebar and fork perpendicular to each other and tighten the screws. Loosen the handle screws, adjust the grip angle and tighten the handle screws. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen the screws and remove the fork protection bar. Fit the front wheel into the forks, taking care to snap the discs into the calipers. Unscrew the quick release end caps and remove one spring. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel. Tighten the end cap after installing the spring. Rotate the trigger and press the trigger firmly at the proper resistance. Unscrew the set screws on the forks. Secure the headlight and fender to the fork with screws. Secure the fender supports to both sides of the fork with screws. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled on both sides with the direction. R is the right pedal and L is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the crank to tighten it. The right pedal is tightened clockwise. The left pedal is tightened counterclockwise. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. After loosening the seat post clamp and adjusting the saddle height, press down on the seat post clamp quick release. Step 5. Assemble the other accessories. Wheel reflectors are mounted on the spokes as shown in the video. White reflector mounted on handlebar. Unlocking with the key allows you to remove the battery. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.